Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and you can see today I got a fresh haircut. Went and got it this morning. I got off work. I went and accomplished getting my haircut. Guys, if you want to accomplish your dreams, go right ahead, go do it. Accomplish your dreams. You can be anything you want to be. Anything. Go accomplish your dreams. If it's being a millionaire, you can go and you can accomplish your dreams. So what?
Go in your room and do a video.
No. I'm about to go out there and feed the chickens.
I'm about to take a leak right here.
Okay, you can go. Anyways, we're gonna go down there and we're gonna feed the chickens and the rabbits, and there's Barry. Hey Barry, wave your hand. He said it won't focus on him, but we're gonna go down there and we're gonna go feed the chickens. So guys, we're making our way down to the chickens and rabbits. It's kind of dark, so they're about asleep, about to go to sleep. So set you guys right there, turn you towards the rabbit. I've put him boxes and boxes in there, and she's tore it up. So guys, I'm gonna have to take the mic off and give the chickens and rabbits some water. Guys, I don't know why, but I look 30 times better with this haircut. You want some food? You want some food? I'm just kidding. Yeah, there's some food. I filled this whole thing up, guys. It really don't look like much, but it's actually a pretty good bit. So we're gonna open here, and hey, you need some? Come here. Come here. Hey, stop. Bro! I'll get her once I pour the water in there. She won't stop focusing on it. So I'm gonna pick this up, close this before she jumps out. Oh crap. Okay, that's focused. So hold this, pour some in here. It's gonna take a while. Just gonna leave that little bit in there for the chickens. Tighten that back up, then bottle flip. Oh, no. Top was off. Why didn't you tell me that the top was off? Exclusive bottle toss. Ow! 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 It worked. So anyways, I'm gonna try and fix this camera again. There we go, that's a little bit better. You want some? You want some? You want some? Okay. No, not yet. Not yet. Guys, I'm gonna get the mic and I'm gonna show you how slurpy she is. Uh-oh. Okay, so you okay? Okay. You cool? Guys, did you hear that slurp? I'm gonna try and grab her and like put her up to the camera. So I never let her out of her cage because that's kind of stupid. I don't let my chickens out of their cage because I'll never be able to catch them again. Come here. Bro! Just come here! Whatever. Forget you. I'm gonna go up here and give the chicken some water. They're getting big. I'm inside the pen now. Exclufus light bottle flip. Woo! No, I'm just kidding. So anyways, I'm really gonna try and catch this thing one of these days for the camera. One of these days, I'm gonna try and catch this. What, camera? Hey, she knows what I'm trying to do. Gracious! Forget you! Jeez! I really think we come out here for nothing. I really wanted to get the rabbit. But guess what? We didn't catch the rabbit. But guess what? We did not catch the rabbit. So, you so precious. I think it's precious though. She's sweet every once in a while. So anyways, guys, we're gonna transport back inside just like this. So anyways, guys, that was the end of the video. So, and until whenever, peace out.